Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I have for you a new Azure Beauty dip powder and nail polish kit. So I have worked with Azure Beauty in the past doing a couple different unboxing and swatches for their dip powder kits. Well, Azure Beauty just launched some new kits just in time for holidays. So these are dip powder and nail polish kits. They have a couple different ones. They sent me 2 of them. So I want to show you everything that it comes with. We'll go over both kits. Here is what comes in the kits. So one kit does come with everything that you would need to do nails. So it has extra brushes, and then it has a file. It has the after service card, the instruction manual, and then this is what the kit comes with. Comes with a little dish, so that way you can use this to catch the excess powder. It comes with the dip powder base, activator, and gel top. Comes with 2 dip powder colors, and then comes with 2 nail polish colors and a top coat. It has a fluffy brush and then a nice cuticle tool as well. So this is kind of a fun kit. It gives you the chance to do some different designs, get more into nail art because you do have the dip powders, but then you have the nail polishes that you can use for the designs. So this kit is called the Pink and Purple kit. So it's like pinky, purpley, red shades. So for the 2 dip powders, I did swatch all of the colors and everything for you guys. So for the first dip powder, this is number 12. This is more of like a gray. It's like a medium gray. It's not too dark, it's not too light. Be a good background shade. The second color that this one comes with is number 61, and this is like a baby pink shade. And then it came with 2 of their nail polishes, which I don't believe Azure Beauty had nail polish before, so I do believe these are new products for them. So this is what they look like. They're cute little bottles. This one is number 6. So here is the red. It is a little bit on the sheer side. I did do 2 coats for both the dip powder and for the polishes. And then it came with this pink one, which is number 7. So it's like a purpley, mauvey, pinky shade. So together for the pink and purple kit, this is what it looks like. These are the 4 colors, the 2 dip powders, and then the 2 polishes. And then let me show you the other kit. Again, this kit comes with the same type of products. It's just going to be different shades. This kit is called Taste Coffee. So going on a coffee theme, they are more brown shades, but again, comes with the same thing, the little dip container, the activators, the 2 colors, and then the 2 nail polish. So the first dip powder that it comes with is number 136, which is this like mocha brown shade. Then we have number 189, which is more of a creamy, like a creamer type of a shade. Then for the polishes, this one is number 8. This is a deeper, like espresso brown shade. And then this one is number 9, which is a brown coppery glitter. So here's what the Taste Coffee kit looks like. So in both kits, they kind of come with 4 colors that go together that you can use to create different designs. So I do want to go ahead and do a couple tutorials using each kit so that way you can kind of see what type of designs you're going to do. Since we are before holidays, I'm going to keep a more holiday/winter theme, but of course, I mean, you can do whatever type of designs you'd like with these kits. Okay, so here are the two designs that I came up with using the Taste Coffee collection. So I did a nice brown plaid and some brown snowflakes. I love that this one did come with a glitter just to give it a little accent in case you want one. And then here are the two designs I came up with using the pink and purple collection. And I did I stuck my finger in it. It's still wet. I am so used to gel polish at this point. Kind of forgot that you do need to let regular polish set. So I did smudge it. Ugh. I didn't love how that one came out either, but I was trying to do like a candy cane set, the coffee collection. I do prefer these shades all together as a collection. The other one with the gray, the pink, the red, and then the like purpley pink, I feel like it didn't flow as much together. You can definitely do some different, I think that kit would be better for like Valentine's Day, do more like floral nails. This coffee one is very neutral, so you can really do anything with this collection. Thank you to AZUREBEAUTY for sending me over the new collections. I will have links in the description box down below. They are Amazon links, so if you want to get any one of these kits for Christmas, they are very good all-in-one kits. If you want any of their larger dip powder kits, they are also available on Amazon. So again, any last minute Christmas shoppers want to get them Amazon to their house before Christmas. Or even if you get an Amazon gift card for Christmas afterwards, buy yourselves one of these kits, treat yourself. You guys will have to let me know in the comments down below what you think of their new dip powder and nail polish kits. I think that's a fun twist on just their dip powder kits. Gives you a little bit more freedom to do some different designs and things like that. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for more videos coming out soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.